me some beer.
Stronger, 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 stronger.
Right, boys.
What's happening?
Didn't think you'd be over in Sweden. This is a bit of a long trek.
Hey, do you know what? I'm fuming 'cause it's freezing.
It's cold. I've
only brought this, no jacket.
If you start changing some tyres, you warm up.
Yeah, that's it. We done it all yesterday. We're ahead of us after.
How fit is Moritz?
That's the thing. He hasn't been riding, so I don't know. And obviously he's so fast, so he's probably going to be thereabouts, isn't he? Let's be honest.
That is true.
Yeah.
How have you been?
Yeah, been good, mate. Been good. Busy. Always busy.
I need some tyres, boys. I need some tyres. So who do
I need tyres too.
Who do I speak to about tyres? Which one is it?
This man here. So I'm still waiting for my package as well. You know, I've got levels missing on mine.
Second to last round, and we got both riders back. Now, I thought Moritz wouldn't be back for the rest of the season, so is he, how close to 100% is he?
First of all, my thought was the same as yours, so I could not believe when it happens what it happens that he would be back on the bike for the, probably for the last GP in some condition, but not for this one. He's not happy, of course, because he said, I cannot do things like I was doing before. Yeah, of course. For sure, I don't want that he takes any risk, and I told him that he has just to ride and get a bit better every run. That's the important thing, because if he managed to do some good things already this weekend, then he will have 3 more weeks to be fully fit for the last race of the year.
And what's your favourite thing about the Swedish Grand Prix?
I like Sweden. I like really much the Swedish crowds and all the landscape from the country. So I really like Sweden, but it's always special to be here because the fans are really loud and they come a lot to watch the race, so it's fun.
What's your favourite thing about the Swedish Grand Prix?
The public, the girls, the party, everything.
61 off the lead, so Bauer doesn't need to win this weekend. He just needs to manage that points gap if he is to have a chance and an opportunity of becoming European 125 champion 2 rounds from now. Ricardo Bauer wins race 1 here in Sweden, his 7th win of the season. Extends his gap at the top of the championship as well. He's all smiles underneath that helmet and goggle combo.
All right, doing what you need to do.
Yeah, get a good start and made some quick pass on Bruno, and yeah, managed to win, so happy.
Great win, wasn't it? Great start, and then he just rode up front comfortably, I thought. So yeah, nice win, and hopefully the same again tomorrow.
I know you are not. We're not happy Moritz this weekend, but we need to get a couple of words. We missed you in the vlog, so I know it's probably frustrating not feeling up to 100%, but you're back racing, mate. Is it nice to just be at least back on the bike?
Yeah, sure. So it's really nice to be here because it was not in the first sight that we are here, but yeah, we made it possible to be here. So this is already what I'm really happy about, and now we make the best out of it.
What were you doing when you were in the car? Just playing MX Sim, bit of MX bike, just chilling?
Yeah, some MX Sim for sure. So like in week 2 for sure, some MX Sim. But then yeah, I walked the whole time, you know, to can recover and to make it possible to return here, because yeah, in the beginning wasn't that I'm able to ride here, but we made it possible. So I think I worked pretty hard for this.
They need to be stronger, don't they?
No, I think stronger, 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 stronger.
time. He's going to win race 2. He goes 1-1. He is the 2026 125 European champion, presented by FMF Racing. He won the 65 European Championship with a double race win. 4 years later, he wins the 125 title in similar fashion with a double race win here in Sweden.
I think, mate.
Oh, that's unbelievable, isn't it? First EMX title, to do it like that as well, is amazing. Like, Ricardo Bauer, what a rider, you know? And to give us that, we're so chuffed.
I think championship in the first year is pretty much all you've got to ask for.
It's unreal, isn't it? To come in first year, not expect too much, and then to win it, it's like, what more can you ask for, isn't it?
Strong, strong, strong.
Ricardo Bauer! One more time.
He made it. We just watched. So, but it's good feeling to good feeling to watch winning guys. So it's fantastic season because he's already world champion and he managed to win the title either if he has an injury on the beginning of the season, which he needs operation and some struggles in the beginning, but he comes back strong and I think both guys, they deserve it, our guys. They did a really fantastic season, so I'm super proud of both of them and happy.
Look, you can get your kebab in 1 second. What have we just done?
Yeah.
Tell the vlog.
We've become European champion and world champion so far, so started the season pretty mid actually. Had some bad results, so yeah. But we managed to end it even better and that's what counts. So yeah, European champion. Even before the last race, so I'm happy. Me and the team and family, girlfriend, him. You can put him also in the camera.
That guy. Who's he, a friend or?
Yeah.
Right. You started the season with a broken wrist, didn't you?
Yeah.
So when I remember when we were first doing the vlog in Spain, you were down in the dumps, mate. You weren't happy.
No.
Now look at you.
I didn't first off, like I didn't even know if I would start in Spain. So it was quite tough actually, start the season like this. But yeah, I'm happy that I'm now where I am. So yeah, ready.
What do we do now for the rest of the year? You got 1 round left of this.
I don't know yet.
Run the number 1.
Yeah, run the number 1.
We know what you're doing next year, but I won't expose it on here, don't worry. And then, what was it? Just chill with a girlfriend?
Yeah.
Cycle a little bit?
Yeah, cycle a little bit and get ready for Turkey, and then we'll have a big party.
Big party. Am I invited?
Yeah, you can come.
Thank you, mate. Is there going to be some beer?
Yeah, there will be some beer.